Hello world, my name is Rochelle Dassin from Brussels, Belgium, and this is my web application. It's called Taskstone and it's created using Python, JavaScript, and SQL. And what this basically is it's a task management web application that sends like task reminders through WhatsApp messages. I did this because I'm always on my phone and I'm always checking social media, and so I thought that if I was getting messages that told me to go do my tasks, I would be more inclined to do it than as I would actually see it and not ignore it as if it was on paper. So the way this works is there's a login and register function. The register function inputs the username, and then the password has to be 8 characters long, as well as include special characters and numbers. And this is credited to CS50's finance piece that's already created. So yeah, I already created a login. So let me log in. And once you're logged in, you're brought to the home page that displays today's tasks, the daily tasks. It only displays daily tasks and it uses JavaScript to show the date and the current time. And so what this does is once you go to the plan, you can head on to the plan, and over here you'll see that you're prompted for the phone number, the time that you want to send the task, and what you actually want your task to be in. So you need to input your country code. This uses the PyWattKit module in Python, and I also use JavaScript to locally save the storage, the phone number in the storage, so that you don't have to type it again. So let me just type in like the time that I want to send this in. So probably in at 017. Give it a minute because you have to give it a minute delay. So let me say testing 1 2 3. And I confirm, and you're brought onto the success page where you can choose to add more tasks later on and redo the same process of adding a time on the task. And what this will do is, once you go to the home page, you'll see that it shows the most recent task, and its defaulted status of completion is incomplete with an X, represented by an X, and you can press this X to turn it into complete. Yeah. And what I want to show you is that it also is reflected in the history table. So the task, so it uses JavaScript to update the status in real time. So I could just keep it on X, and here as you can see it's also on an X. If I press it back, it's going to be back to cross, and use JavaScript to do that. And so yeah, I'll just wait for 20 more seconds for it to open WhatsApp and send the messages. So this is using, as I said, using the PyWattKit module. It sends messages. You don't even have to log in or anything. And yeah, it's going to use PyAutoGUI to manually press enter after typing in the message, and then it closes the WhatsApp right after. And yeah, so you can just come into the homepage and just check in your status every day, and then cross it on or off if depending on whether you completed. And yeah, this was Taskstone, and thank you for watching.